Here we will see assert statement in Python. Assertions are statements that assert or state a fact confidently in your program. For example, while writing a division function, you are confident that the divisor should not be 0. So you can assert divisor is not equal to 0. Assertions are simply Boolean expressions that check if the condition returned true or not. If it is true, the program does nothing and moves to the next line of code. However, if it is false, the program stops and throws an error. It is also a debugging tool as it halts the program as soon as an error occurs and displays it. Python has built-in assert statement to use assertion condition in the program. Assert statement has a condition or expression which is supposed to be always true. If the condition is false, assert halts the program and gives an assertion error. General syntax for using assert in Python is assert, condition and error message, where condition is the Boolean condition which returning true or false. An error message is an optional argument to be printed in the console in case of assertion error. The assert statement works by evaluating a Boolean condition and raising an assertion error if the expression is false. If the specified condition evaluates to true, then it continues to execute next statements. Otherwise, it raises an assertion error exception with the specified error message. For example, if we have defined the function division with two parameters as x and y, while dividing, y should be greater than 0. So in assert statement, we will check assert y not equal to 0. It will print y cannot be 0. Else, it will print x divided by y. In try statement, we will call this function division with parameters 10 and 5 and second division with 10 and 0. And in except, we will print assertion error. So when we execute this, for the function with parameter 10 and 5, it will print 2, and for the function with parameters 10 and 0, it will print y cannot be 0. Now we will check this with Python code. For this, we will open the IDE. Then we will add new file. First in comment line, we will write program description. Here we will define function division with two parameters x and y. While dividing these two numbers, y should be greater than 0. So in assert statement, we will check y not equal to 0. We will print y should be greater than 0. And after that, we will print x divided by y. Then in try block, we will call this function to execute. So try division with parameters 10 and 5. And again we will call this function division with parameters 10 and 0. And in except, we will use assertion error as message and we will print message. Then we will save this. Here we will give comma and we will execute this. It will print 2.0, y should be greater than 0. That is, when we pass 10, 5, it will print 2, and when we pass 10, 0, it will print y should be greater than 0.